Are you looking? Attachments for toilet seats are becoming an increasingly popular addition to modern bathrooms. With an increased focus on hygiene, comfort, and sustainability, bidets are offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional toilet paper. They're particularly favored by those seeking a more hygienic, hands-free experience. This guide evaluates the top 5 bidet attachments. List number: Lux TS108E elongated comfort fit toilet seat with slow close, quick release hinges and non-slip bumpers, white. The Lux TS108E is a premium choice for those who want both luxury and functionality in their bidet attachment. This elongated seat comes with a slow close feature, ensuring no more slamming, while its quick release hinges make cleaning a breeze. It's designed with non-slip bumpers to offer stability on the toilet, adding to the overall safety and comfort. The soft, ergonomic seat enhances the experience, while the bidet attachment itself uses a self-cleaning nozzle, which is a bonus for hygiene-conscious users. The bidet spray pressure is adjustable, catering to various preferences, and its durability makes it a worthwhile investment for long-term use. List 2. Lux Bidet Neo 185 Self-Cleaning Dual Nozzle Non-Electric Bidet Attachment for Toilet Seat. The Lux Bidet Neo 185 is a highly rated non-electric bidet attachment known for its self-cleaning dual nozzles. One nozzle is designed for rear cleansing, while the other is for feminine front washing, offering maximum versatility and hygiene. The nozzles are retractable and self-cleaning, which ensures optimal sanitation with each use. Users can adjust the water pressure for a more comfortable experience, and the installation process is straightforward, making it accessible even for DIY enthusiasts. It's made with a durable build that guarantees longevity and functionality. List 3. Lux Bidet Neo 120 Self-Cleaning Nozzle Freshwater Non-Electric Bidet Attachment for Toilet Seat. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-quality bidet attachment, the Lux Bidet Neo 120 stands out. It features a single self-cleaning nozzle that ensures hygienic, efficient use. While this model is simpler than the Neo 185, it still provides excellent performance with adjustable water pressure, giving users full control over the water stream. The lack of electric components means it's easy to install and doesn't add to your electricity bill. The fresh water system is great for those who prefer a minimalist, eco-conscious approach to their daily routine. List number: Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment for Toilet Dual Nozzle Frontal and Rear Wash with Adjustable Cold Water Pressure. The Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet Attachment is perfect for those who prioritize sleek design without compromising on functionality. This model offers dual nozzles for both frontal and rear washes, making it a versatile choice for any user. The ultra-slim build ensures it fits most toilet seats without taking up too much space. Adjusting the water pressure is easy, allowing users to customize the experience for comfort. Its cold water function is ideal for those in warmer climates, though some users in colder areas might find it less comfortable during winter months. Its minimalistic design blends well with most toilet styles. List 5. Clear Rear Bidet Attachment for Toilet Non-Electric Self-Cleaning Adjustable Water Pressure Nozzle Bidet Attachment. The Clear Rear Bidet Attachment is a well-rounded option for those who want a no-fuss, non-electric bidet with a self-cleaning nozzle. The adjustable water pressure nozzle allows for precise control, and its simple installation process means that anyone can set it up in minutes. The sleek design ensures that it complements your bathroom decor without looking out of place. It is made from high-quality materials that are built to last, making it a great value for the price. Though it lacks heated water, it still delivers a refreshing and effective cleanse.